Does the harmonica sound to you like a complete mystery? All that music in this little teeny tiny box. Did you know it's actually got the notes of the piano, the same notes on the piano, not all the piano, but the 3 octaves of it. So you can't just take this out of your top pocket and blow and suck and expect it to sound good. No siree, Bob. Let me tell you a little bit more about that. A lot of people think that the harmonica can not be studied or taught unless you can read music. Fortunately, that is not true. You know, people think you should just kind of instinctively know what to do, but this is actually not the case. None of this is true. In this video, I'm going to show you how playing the harmonica can be very easy and how to be able to play as well as Bob Dylan or Billy Joel or Neil Young, or maybe better even, who knows? And you won't even need to read music. So if that sounds good to you, you might want to just get started now. Click the link below and you can learn more. Otherwise, let's jump in and we'll talk more about this. Who am I? Well, Ben Hewlett is the name. Yeah, I've been passionate about teaching the harmonica for 30 years now and working with people like yourself, and it's been a blast, and I ain't finished yet. So I've written over 150 video courses on the harmonica and 20 books. 95,000 courses purchased. I'm the former Vice President and Chairman of Harmonica UK. I've even worked with Jules Holland and Billy Connolly. I've helped over 100,000 people to get started on the harmonica, including 10,000 children, and I know I can help you. The way I like to start people on the harmonica is to show you how to hold the harmonica and how to breathe through it properly. There are many different ways of holding it, but what I found gets best tone quality, which by the way is the holy grail of the harmonica, might be surprising for you. What we try to do is we try to get the harmonica to actually connect your hands and the harmonica to your face. So you actually touch your face with the harmonica. I can't actually do it right now. I can do a bit of it because I'm holding the phone in the other hand. So can you see where I'm touching my thumb onto my cheek there? So doing that, and the same on the other side with the other hand, is actually going to give you a much better tone quality than holding it just, perched on the end of your lips. That's not going to sound good. Trust me on this. It's not going to sound good. Now, we've barely scratched the surface here, and there's so much more that I'd like to unlock. In fact, I'd like to take you into a much deeper dive and show you how everything works so you can start getting amazing results very quickly. But I don't have time in this 3-minute video. So I've created some free training for you, and I'm inviting you to have immediate access right now. It's down there on the link. Just clink the link. Just clink the link and go here, and this is what it will look like. So you know when you get there, you know that you're not going down a rabbit hole. It's still me, and this will enable you to take the free training with me. If you're ready to get competence and confidence on the harmonica, being able to entertain people, being able to play music in a social group of some sort, being part of a community, enjoying a new skill, learning a new skill, getting satisfaction of knowing that you can achieve something which you've been wanting to achieve for many years, then this training is for you. So just clink the link. I can't say that straight, can I? So just clink, I'll leave it in there, shall I? Just clink the link and I'll help you to skip all the trial and error stuff. So I'll see you on the other side in just a minute. Just finally to mention this, if you're still seeing this, then the training is still available. So you can jump on it right now, immediately. But we only have limited capacity. We can only really take on 3 new students a week because there's only 2 of us that run this gargantuan operation. We don't really want more than 3 people a week, so we put the training up and take it down just to suit the demand. We can't cope with a lot of people. So if it's still there, if you're watching this and it's still there, you can see it. So clink the link. I said it again, didn't I? Clink the link and jump on it now, and this could be the start of your journey that achieves a lifelong ambition. This could be the very thing that you've been waiting for all these years. I'll see you inside.